Sri Gautam here, and in today's video we are going to see a few marketing strategies that are adopted by OnePlus in order to create a hype for their upcoming mid-range smartphone, which is OnePlus Nord. OnePlus in majority makes only flagship phones. Why I mentioned the word majority is because they have already released a mid-range smartphone back in 2015, which is OnePlus X. OnePlus X was actually announced in October 2015 and released in November 2015. And OnePlus X is actually a premium looking budget smartphone. Okay, now let's get into the Nord's perspective. Consider there is about 10 people in a crowd, including you. Everyone will be having a different smartphone. Only a few people will be having a premium budget smartphone, and most of the people will be having a mid-range or budget smartphones within a range of about 10,000 to 20,000. Agree, right? Most of the people, about a bare minimum of 6 out of 10 people will be having a budget smartphone or a mid-range smartphone. When a company like OnePlus say that they are going to release a mid-range smartphone which actually fits in our budget, there will be an extra craze will happen obviously, and this is a common factor in all the humans. To gain the mid-range smartphone users, who are the majority in the smartphone market, they have created the hype over and over and over again. The mobile phone got exposed in MKB HD. The specifications are good. The design aesthetics look so clean and crisp. This phone definitely gives you a premium feel. Let's check in what's the budget is. Two variants, grey and teal colors, are shown in the video, but not sure about how they are going to attribute these colors. This phone comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 series 765 5G enabled chipset, which is amazing. The mobile phone has got a dual punch hole camera in the front and a quad vertical camera at the back. A massive 4010 mAh battery is also used. This device can tolerate water and other liquids to a certain extent, but this is not an IP certified device, which essentially means you should make sure to keep your device away from water and other liquids. If some damages happens, unfortunately you can't claim warranty because this is actually a liquid damage, but Recticart is there to fix your damaged devices. To say about Recticart, they are a platform to repair your mobile phones, laptops, desktops and other things as well. They also do install CCTVs for you. If your device is repaired or damaged, you can contact them now. You can do that straight away by filling your details in the contact page of their website, or you can also contact them via Instagram or Messenger. You will receive a surprise gift when you give them an opportunity to work with you, and satisfaction is guaranteed. Use coupon code ENJOY20 to have an extra 20% off on your repair. Please don't get your device damaged just because you have a confidence on Recticart. Currently they are operating only in and around Coimbatore. Okay, coming back to Nord, let's see whether all these hypes create a good impact or not. I definitely believe that there will be a good result. The pre-ordering for this device is also started in Amazon. You can also check them out. I will give the product link in the description. Thank you so much. Like this video if you like this. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Give your comments and feedbacks on this video in the comment section, and share with your friends if they are looking for a OnePlus device. Thank you.